Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, engine immobilizer, tires, rear all-season, fog lamps, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.